no pumpkin pies today. Just get your traditional pie shells. Like these. Get 2 of them, just a traditional. 3/4 cup of sugar. Put a little bowl. You want a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Half a teaspoon ginger. And a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. Like that. Just mix it up a little bit. Alright, let's mix us a couple eggs. Take a large bowl. A couple eggs. Let's just mix that up. Whisk the eggs. Whisk your eggs. Take a can of pumpkin. Just get it in there. It's pretty easy. Get all that pumpkin, yeah. Mix it up. I don't know if I want to use this. And mix the pumpkin up pretty good. All right. Let's get our dry ingredients. The sugar, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, salt. Just mix it in. Mix it up real good. Wow, you smell that? It smells good already. You want a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. We just want to slowly just add the milk. Keep stirring. Just add it a little at a time. Yeah, evaporated milk. Yeah, this is going to cook up nice. See, it's not hard, is it? Once you do it, just get your can of pumpkin, 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, and the sugar and spice. Yep. Don't worry, it looks thin, but it's going to thicken up when it gets in the oven. It's going to be pretty good. Use the whole can of pumpkin and the whole can of milk, evaporated milk. There we go. All right, just stir it up. Four 425 for about 15 minutes. Then you're gonna turn it down to 350. Let's get it up to temperature. We're gonna carefully fill these pie shells up evenly for both sides. Got one on the crust. All right. Here's the tip. I got a little pumpkin on the crust. Might want to get that off because it's going to turn real dark if you don't. All right. The oven's preheated to 425. Important. Now, put them in there. There we go. Your timer for 15 minutes. At 425, then after 15 minutes, we're going to turn it down to 350. 15 minutes almost up, guys. 3, 2, 1. We got to turn it down. Let's see how it looks. Yep. I want to set to 350. We'll turn it down to 350. Let a little heat out. Now, 35 minutes. All right, 35 minutes, they should be done. We'll check it. Half an hour. All right, let's see how they look. Been 35 minutes. Let's give it a little bit. Oh, let's see how they look. Not bad. Crust looks golden brown. Looks pretty good. Cool Whip. Put on top. And we'll let it cool down and we'll take a bite. All right, just cut a piece. Put a little whipped topping on there. Now we'll let Kylie taste test. Use a fork. Is it good? I want to try it.
It's really, really, really good. But I think the dish should like cool down before you put the whipped cream on.
Yeah, it's still a little warm. Put them in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. But it's still good.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
All right. I'll see you when we make dressing next. Happy Thanksgiving.